Alright, now I'll play.
Taking your milk out of your refrigerator. I'm taking your milk out of your refrigerator. Taking your milk out of your refrigerator. Taking it out of your refrigerator.
Don't really care if you like it, I feel like it, I need my calcium. I'm slaying them, I will sell out the stadium. Need calcium for my bones. I done told you I'm bad to the bone. Got a bone, want a bone. Doggy got a bone in the bone zone. Step up into this zone, open in zone. I am grown, stepping up the T, you better watch your tone. I just want that milk gallon, that's what I do when I be clowning. I'll take your milk gallon, and you know that I'm down with the clown. You can ask my girl, she'll tell you that I'm a clown. I'm a clown on the clown bicycle.
Taking out the milk out of your refrigerator. Your refrigerator. Your refrigerator.
I am that bandit, but oh damn it, Crash Bandicoot. You know I'll take your loot and then get hooked up with a prostitute up in that prostitution. What I do for the solution? Found a prostitute up in prostitution. Bump this in high resolution. YOLO, but there you go. They all love the way I flow. I'm the bandit, but oh damn it, your milk I just have to have. I take milk so I don't have to buy it for myself. I'm coming at this like a ninja who's going stuff. I can't afford that milk for myself, so I have to have my calcium, yum, yum. I just want my calcium, that's why I do it, nothing to it. Me, bone the surface, your flesh, I have to hurt this, but this is me on the surface. That person coming through with Mr. Burson to renegade your refrigerator. Praying to the golden calf, it will be aftermath, and then I will laugh up in the aftermath. When you come up, half you will get the wrath. Be like the WCW's wrath. When you come my path, it's the meltdown. Take it down, not playing around. His finishing move, I'm a busted move. How it will be when I pin you for the 1, 2, 3. I done it, and I got it abundance.
Out of your refrigerator.